and welcome to Brand Turks. And today we have Mr. Joy with us, who is the Director of Confidence Group. Thank you for joining in. And heartiest congratulations for the Type-4 cylinder. And here we are with the sample Type-4 CNG cylinder. And Mr. Joy is going to share with us the advantages of the product.
Correct. So this is a Type-4 composite carbon fiber based CNG cylinder. This is suitable for use in CNG, bio-CNG, HCNG and hydrogen, and also green ammonia, and there are a few other applications that we can talk about. The biggest advantage is this is the 1/3 the weight of a conventional Type 1 steel cylinder. And the second biggest factor is this is very safe to use, because in case of a fire or if there is any other incident, then this would not burst and create shrapnel. This will only rupture and allow the gas to escape slowly. And as it is, carbon fiber is one of the materials which has the highest tensile strength. It is used for various applications including bulletproofing, and it is also fireproof. So this goes through about 22 tests, which includes the bonfire test. This is a preferred product in Europe and Middle East and advanced South Asian economies. And this is what we are launching in India now.
Wonderful. You've collaborated with the German technology, yes, and you're going to make it in India. So when is the production likely to happen in India?
So we are doing a commercial launch by 15th of August. Most of the machinery is already imported and it's being set up. We will shortly commence trial runs and then take the government approvals and licensing, and then launch by 15th of August.
And what are the key components of the collaboration?
So the technology is European, and there are various components which come through globally. But most of the liner and the metallic parts, which is the boss part, etc., that's available in India. It will be completely made in India and it's manufactured in India, so it's a Make in India initiative. And it will also help to boost, the green hydrogen economy, plus the focus towards bio-CNG, where each and every village will have a bio-CNG plant of their own. So it will help support that initiative by the Government of India.
Wonderful. How is this product going to help the consumers?
So there are two parts to it. One, for automotive customers, currently they are using these heavy steel cylinders in their cars. These steel cylinders, over a period of time, they tend to buckle the chassis, they damage the suspension, and you have to go in for frequent repairs. And in fact, the weight of the cylinder is so high that the fuel consumption is affected by almost having one additional person in the car all the time. It takes away basically one passenger. But with these lightweight cylinders, for example, for a car, this cylinder would weigh about 20-21 kgs. They will not only help to ensure that the chassis does not, buckle or go through a damage, or you do not need to go ahead and enhance the suspension in any way, but this is also completely corrosion free. So there will be no rust or no impact due to any impurities present in the gas. The second is that this is also used for mass storage or transportation of gas. So currently you have scenarios where you have long lines in the station because the pressure is low and they have to run the compressor more to fill the car, or the gas has run out and there is a no gas board stuck on the station. This will ensure that you can carry large quantities of gas. Your station is completely supplied with gas all the time. You just go with your car, fill it to the optimum pressure and come out. So that's the two advantages that the normal customer will get.
And what are the kind of gases it can serve?
So it can carry normal CNG, bio-CNG, which is basically methane, which is made from decomposition of waste material, agricultural waste as well as domestic waste. And it can carry HCNG, which is hydrogen enriched CNG. So the government is doing trials for 18% hydrogen enriched CNG, and they will target up to 80% of hydrogen in CNG, which gives a boost to the power and mileage of the car. And then eventually hydrogen, where it will ensure that you can carry hydrogen at 350 bar and 700 bar. It also supports green ammonia. It also supports various other gases. So there are smaller applications like fire extinguishers, which can be lightweight and very handy to use. So there are a number of applications that we are looking at.
Wonderful. And in hilly areas like Ratnagiri, what is the utility? How can be?
So in hilly areas, it's very difficult to dig and lay the pipeline. And what this helps in is in mass storage of gas. So multiple of these cylinders are put into a structure which is called as a cascade. and you can fill this cascade from any station where there is a pipeline and take it to a location, so maybe a 5-star hotel or a society, and park it over there, and you can supply it to the entire household or the hotel, and they can run easily on CNG. So that's how, this is called like a mobile pipeline for CNG.
Wonderful.
So that's how it will.
What's your roadmap for next 3 years?
So in next 3 years, we are going to start initially with the manufacturing of the storage cylinders, and then we will move into automotive applications in CNG, bio-CNG, and then eventually, as the network and the infrastructure for hydrogen goes, then we'll start manufacturing the hydrogen cylinders and start supplying those.
Thank you so much. Wonderful chatting with you. Wish you good luck.